Space tourism, the final frontier for the ultra-rich, but potentially the final nail in the coffin for our planet. A controversial statement? Perhaps. But as we venture further into the cosmos, it's important to consider the environmental cost of such pursuits. The race to space tourism isn't a new concept. It was as early as 1997 when Space Adventures, a private company, proposed the idea of sending tourists to space. The idea was simple: pay millions of dollars and you too could experience the awe-inspiring view of Earth from the cosmos. Fast forward to 2001 when Dennis Tito, an American businessman, became the first space tourist. He paid a whopping $20 million for a trip to the International Space Station, marking a significant milestone in space tourism. The mid-2000s saw the rise of companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin, both backed by tech billionaires Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos, respectively. These companies promised a future where space travel wasn't just for astronauts or millionaires, but for everyday people. In 2010, Virgin Galactic, owned by Richard Branson, made headlines when it unveiled its commercial spacecraft, designed to take tourists to the edge of space and back. And in 2018, SpaceX announced plans to send Japanese billionaire Yusaku Maezawa on a trip around the moon, further escalating the space tourism race. But what is the environmental cost of these ventures? Each rocket launch releases a significant amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. And while the number of launches per year is currently relatively small, as space tourism grows, so too will the number of launches, and subsequently, the amount of emissions. Moreover, the production of rocket fuel also has a substantial environmental footprint. The creation of hydrazine, a common rocket fuel, produces nitrogen oxides, a potent greenhouse gas. Not to mention, the extraction and refinement of the materials needed to build these rockets also contribute to environmental degradation. As we stand on the precipice of a new era of space tourism, it's important to ask ourselves, at what cost are the potential scientific advancements worth the environmental toll? Or are we simply indulging the fantasies of the ultra-rich at the expense of our planet? The race to space tourism is undoubtedly an exciting prospect. But as we strive for the stars, let's not forget the planet we're leaving behind. So the next time you hear about another billionaire planning a trip to space, think about the environmental cost. Because the future of space tourism shouldn't just be about reaching new heights, but also about preserving the only home we've ever known. Thanks for watching Tomorrow's Tech. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.